Humera, a powerful young lady, loved horses. She loved martial arts and she loved fire. She had just come from a horse riding competition and won first place. They had such an amazing time. She was missing him already. She was at her science class with her favorite teacher, Teacher Ali. He was teaching them the first module of IGCSE regarding living things. Living things can be categorized by a simple acronym called MRS GREN. Teacher Ali explained. Certain classification about all living things was to be followed.
The first one on the MRS GREN checklist is movement. So, if you want to check if something is living, ask, does it move? Humans walk with muscles, bones, and legs. Even plants move towards the sun. It is called phototropism. If you plant near a window, it will slowly turn towards the light. The next criterion that living things must do is respire. Respiration is a chemical process in the body that converts glucose into energy. Glucose goes into the cell and ATP is released. Now be careful, guys. This is a little bit different from breathing. Respiration is cellular respiration, not breathing. Next, we have sensitivity. All living things are sensitive to their environment. For example, if someone throws a ball at you, hopefully you will catch it. Plants are also sensitive, but they are sensitive to light. If there is loss of light from the window, they turn towards it. Next, we have growth. Does the living thing grow? Does the dry mass increase? Dry mass is when you remove the water and then weigh.
Humera's eyes glistened. She was thinking, I know my horse is living, but I also know fire is living too. The fire is alive because when I ride, I can feel its presence. It breathes, it grows with the air. It moves, it breathes, it grows. Fire is definitely living. I will see what Teacher Ali says at the end.
Now all living things must reproduce. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce new individuals of the same species. Next is excretion. Excretion means removing toxic metabolic waste from the cells. This can be done by urinating, defecating, or sweating. Finally, we have nutrition. Does the organism take in nutrients from the environment and use them for growth and energy?
Teacher, I know something that is alive, fire. Fire can move, it can respire because you see it breathing. It grows, give it wood and it gets bigger. It reproduces, fire makes more fire. It takes nutrition, it takes oxygen.
Humera, excellent. You have reasoned very well. Some of your points are correct, but although you think it is respiring, it is not cellular. It does not truly grow. If you weigh one fire, it will not increase in mass unless you add fuel. That is not real growth. Ashes are not excretion. Excretion means removal of metabolic waste from cells. All 7 characteristics must be present to be called living.
What about Roblox characters, sir? Can Roblox characters move? Yes, sir, they can move.
Can they respire? No, they do not have cells. Are they sensitive? Yes, they react when you press buttons. Because they do not have all the characteristics in MRS GREN, they are not considered living things.
Now, let us go through some questions. Identify which characteristic is described. A sunflower turns its head throughout the day to face the sun. Is it nutrition, movement, respiration, or excretion? The answer is movement. As Teacher Ali explained, plants move towards the sun through a process called phototropism. Why is a fire not considered living, even though it grows with wood? Growth is just the addition of fuel, not an increase in dry mass. Final question. Why does a Roblox character fail the test of respiration? The answer is, Roblox characters do not have cells. Excellent work! You are now one step closer to mastering your IGCSE Biology. See you in the next module. And don't forget to like and subscribe.